Hi friends, this is 5 Months YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set 100 mode in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone here and click on shortcuts and accessibility. Now click on one-handed. Click on one-handed and turn on this button, access mini screen using gesture. So what you have to do is read the instruction here. You can bring the small screen out by sliding inward from the edge of the screen and then sliding out of the screen. So from the edge of the right side screen or left side screen, just slide inward, then slide outward. Simultaneously slide inward first and then slide outward, then 100 mode will be active. See here. Slide inward and outward. Yes. If you again slide inward and outward, it will go to full screen mode. Okay. But it is not the screen. So on the screen you go to slide. Now this is mini screen. And again I do it. So for left hand mode, this is right handed mode, like one hand. With right hand you can access all functions of your phone. Okay. So for left hand, just long press on the screen and drag like this, and you can move it anywhere on the screen. You can place it on the upper part or lower part or left lower part. So if you place it in the left lower part, you can access it by left hand only. This is like left-handed mode. So in the left side itself, you can do like sliding inward and taking it outward. Sliding inward and outward. Okay. So in this way, you can easily set 100 mode in your phone. Vivo V21e 5G, because I am often using Samsung Galaxy phones. So I am accidentally telling that Samsung Galaxy, but rarely I use Vivo. So sorry, this is Vivo V21e 5G. Okay, friends. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.